My dear students, welcome to my class again and good morning to everybody. At the beginning of my class, what I want to discuss. Before that, I want to say, in my last class, that in the discussion of my step 2, while teaching you narration, I discussed sentence. Actually, I told before you that sentence is a very important factor while doing narration, and the most important thing I will discuss today, and that is tense changing. Okay, and that is called also verb changing. So if you can change the verb, if you can change the tenses very correctly, then the indirect speeches will be also correct. So there is a good process of learning tense changing. I am showing you this. At first you have to draw a box. Then in the first box you have to write direct speech. In the second box you will write indirect speech. So in direct speech, if you find any kind of sentence like present indefinite, if you find any kind of tense like present indefinite, while changing into indirect speech, you have to write past indefinite. That means you have to make it past indefinite tense. If you find any sort of sentence like present continuous, you have to make it past continuous. If you find any sort of sentence like present perfect, while changing into indirect speech, you have to make it past perfect. Then another sentence is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. While changing into indirect speech, you have to make it past perfect continuous tense. But the most important tense in narration, especially, is past indefinite. That means whenever you will get any past indefinite tense in direct speech, while doing it in direct speech, you have to make it past perfect. And another important tense in direct speech is past continuous. While changing into indirect speech, you have to make it past perfect continuous. Basically, I want to mark this one because it is very common in narration changing, okay, speech changing. So, I want to advise every student, every of my students, to have a very good idea about in past indefinite to past perfect. Then come another, if you find any sort of word like past perfect, it will be past perfect. That means no change of verb. That means no change of verb. If you find past perfect continuous, it will be also past perfect continuous. That means no change of verb. And if you find past perfect continuous, no change of verb, that means there will be no change, it will be totally unchanged. But whenever in direct speech you find it in future, while changing into indirect speech, you have to make it future in the past. So this is a one kind of picture to you. So in this way you can change the tenses. That basically you can change the verb while changing direct speech to indirect speech. But I want to say another thing. There is a very good technique to learn the verb, but whenever I will get you in the class, I must teach you in a very shortcut way. So before that, I want to request everybody, please have a very good idea about all these things. If you can actually learn the items very correctly, it will help you a lot to have a very good idea about the changing species. Till then, have a very good time, and I wish everybody safety. Be happy. Pray for me. I must pray for you. Have a very nice day. Thank you very much.